Welcome back to Automotive Adventures. Today, well, it rained last night and probably a little bit this morning, but that's okay because today I'm going to be doing my rims in the black truck bed coating that I used previously. I really enjoyed how it looked, so we're going to be doing the tires today, and I'll get back to you when we're there. So, got it jacked up a little bit, not too much. Can't get the jack stand under there, couldn't find a good place, but that's just up enough to kind of make sure it's off the ground. And I got my Dodge cover here that I already painted black when I first got it. Need to be repainted black, but I'm going to try and pop that out of place if I can. There's one spot. And there it goes. So there's the axle, and here's my lug nuts. Why am I missing one? Huh. That must have happened when I brought it into the shop, because I have not tried to take my tire off since then. That is slightly disturbing. Okay, so as you can see, we got the lug nuts off, and my threads are pretty bad, so I thought about, before I hit it back on, maybe hitting it with some PB Blaster. Pretty bad. Same with this, and surprisingly, I don't have any grooves in my brake. I thought I would have more, but I don't. But this is really rusted out, and I might have to get a new brake drum soon, but that's completely fine with me. And then I thought about the caliper's still fine, so I might take them off and paint them one day. But as far as right now, we got the caps all off, and we got the tire done. So we're going to tape her up and spray paint her with that black bed coating, which is awesome. So we got it taped up around the areas that need to be taped up so I don't hit the tire, and we did the valve stem. And I'm going to do the inside first, so I'll flip it around and show you me spraying the inside. I really don't care about anything on that side of running the tire because you don't see that part. And then I'll flip it back out and do the outside, so if I spray over on the inside, or when I do it on the inside, it won't look bad because I'll do it back over this so you won't see anything that came out. Okay, so I did the inside. Didn't show you guys that because I didn't tape it up because I don't really care about the inside because that's not the part of the tire that you see. But now I'm just going to coat it in the spray. I don't want to go too heavy so it looks like there's a really thick thing of it on there because then it'll look bad. But so far, that's looking really good. Just make sure I get there. And that is what the finished project looks like. I really like it. I think it looks really good. So we got her painted, and we're putting her back on. I got all of them on. Later on, I'm going to go buy another lug nut, and I'll take the cap back off and put it back on. But I just want to get it done for today. It'll be super easy just to take it off, screw it on, and then torque it. It's super simple. It's like probably not even $2.50 for a lug nut, so that should be fine. For right now, I just want to get it done, look good, and plus, it was fine by itself without a lug nut for how long, so I trust it. So I'll get this torqued back on, I'll set it down, and I'll let you guys see it. So we got it torqued down and back on, and that's how it's looking. I am really liking that nice black look. I think I'm definitely going to do all 4 tires today. And then I'll just show you after I get them spray painted and done, the tires, and then I'll give you an all-around view once they're all on. The back is over there. It's still looking gray with the lug nuts on, so we're going to get that one off and do that. You can see our little spray paint area over there. So, yeah, that looks really nice, I think. So, yeah, I'll update you guys in a little bit. So, we got this tire painted inside and outside. I got the paint off. Same with that cat. And this is tire number 2. We got 2 more to go. I'll update you when we get the next one done, and I'll see you again in a little bit. So, we stopped and took a lunch break for a little while, and we came back, and we got tire number 3 off her, and got that thing blacked out on the inside and the outside again. Got the next hubcap right there, and looking really good. I'll tell you when we got the 4th one done. Okay, so I thought I'd show you me spray painting the last one again, so we're just gonna do the exact same thing I've been doing the entire time. Just light coat on the outer rim, because I don't want it to be super dark and super glossy, but I do want it to be nice and dark and looking good. Ooh, that's turning out real nice. That sounded weird. Why did I say it like that, right? Real nice. I'll probably just do a couple extra. Make sure it definitely got it coated nice in it. And it looks wet right now, but once it dries, it's going to look real good. And I did the cap too. That's already painted. That's the last one of that. And got the truck sitting here and got her up. And here's the side that's done already. Here's that tire. And that tire looking really nice. I like it way better than the aluminum it used to be. If you're worried about what type of rims you need, because if you don't know if it's going to stick to it, mine are aluminum alloy, and it sticks to it just fine. This stuff will stick to basically anything, because I know the back bed of my truck is steel. It's stuck there. So, we got this one off right now, so we're getting ready. Okay, so I ended up getting all the tires done, and I really liked it, but I also had some left in the can, so I went ahead and did my rear bumper. Along with the rear bumper, I also did my hitch handle. So, got that all taped up and did that, and then did the bumper for right now. I don't have too much left in the can. I will be doing the, if you look here, I'll be doing this in the bottom all the way up the truck, all the way past there, and below it in this, because I really like it, and it's scratch resistant, so I'm pretty good on doing it. The rims look way better. My truck looks way better with these new painted rims, and I think it makes it look a little bit meaner. So here's the entire truck in its glory, and there's a Gatorade in my tape. But I really enjoy what's going on, and I'm gonna continue to work on this truck. I'll probably keep updating you guys on what I'm doing to it, because the past couple days I've been doing nothing but modifying it, because it's been really nice out. Been too sunshiny, or not too sunshiny, but it's been a lot of rainy lately, so I'm happy to finally be able to get out and do something like this. Makes me happy. I will be, like I said, redoing, because this is a different tan than this one, because I switched primers midway through. So I'll do a video about sanding the entire thing down, and I'm going to get my professional paint gun. I'm going to mix it with the paint and primer in the can, so that when I do it, I just have to do one coat of the tan I want, and it'll look really good. And so I'll keep you informed on that. The truck bed was my first thing I did. I really enjoyed that. So I used it for the headache rack, and that worked really out so good. So I decided to do all my tires, and now I'm even happier I decided to do it because of how good my tires look. So bumper, tailgate's done, so I got to do this, all that, and the front grille again, and my windshield light, or my mirrors, and probably my handles too, because they're black too. So I'll end up getting everything done, and you guys will probably end up being here for that. And once it's fixed, I'll have my CB radio, and then I'll also get my toolbox blacked out. So can't wait for that day to come, but it was nice seeing you guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys later.